Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to live stream games on Bigo Live using your PC. First, open the Microsoft Store and search for Bigo Live Streamer. Then install the app and open it once the installation is complete. Now log in with your Bigo Live account. After logging in, choose your game title and enter a title for your live stream. Next, select either game capture or screen capture, then choose the game window you want to stream. Once everything is ready, click confirm and your live stream will start. You can check your live viewers, stream status and other details directly from the stream app. You can also customize the stream layout and even add your webcam if you want. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.